Hello, everyone. My name is Naama Gabbay, and I am a certified light language teacher by the Curanderos lineage, who's the leading master today is Dar Fuentes. And in this video, I would like to present you light language. What is light language? What is it used for? How you can use it in your daily life? And why would you like or why would you choose to learn light language courses? So let's start. Light language is arriving to us, is coming to us from the Curanderos lineage in Mexico. And this is a lineage of shamans, of healers, and masters that its roots are arriving from the ancient Maya culture. Light language is the language of the source, is the language of the universe, is the language of everything that you see and don't see. Everything is composed by light language. Your body, your feelings, your emotions, your thoughts, your words, the air that you breathe, the oxygen, your house, the streets, the buildings, the nature, the seas, the animals, the wind, everything is composed from sacred geometry, from shapes and colors. And when we learn those shapes, we learn the properties of each shape, it is accessible to us, or it is easier for us to communicate with the universe and to create new reality and several realities, actually, because as you know, there is not one reality. In light language level 1, you are learning to create a 7-shape grid. And I have an example here with me. So this is an example of a 7-shape grid. And this grid actually is like a new light structure that you're activating in your aura, in your energetic field, and it is echoing with your 7 chakra system. So this grid, the shapes and the colors that you put in your grid is what you would like to attract to your life, what you would like to attract to your energetic field. How would you like to communicate and to interact with the universe? And according to that, you are creating your personal grid. And of course, in each chakra, you are putting the shape and the color that is appropriate for that chakra. And also what you need for that chakra. So you can create a 7-shape grid for yourself and for other people, for your friends, for your family, for your clients, and also for objects like your house, like your bank account, your credit card, your website, your visit card, your bedroom, your car, any object that you own, you can create a 7 grid for that. And not only that, we are learning in the light language courses, we are learning to create grids, but we are learning also to emanate the shapes and the colors in our space through our consciousness. And that can also make a change, a transformation, and a healing. So that is for light language 1. And I will give you a little example what we are learning in light language 2. There we learn how to compose a grid from 49 shapes and colors. And this grid is specified for a certain subject. You can write or you are dedicating actually the 49 grid to a specific subject, which can be about relationships, your self-esteem, self-love, your confidence, your work, your potential. If you want to give birth to a project, or if you want to give birth to a child, whatever subject that needs a spotlight in your life, needs a healing or transformation, you can write a 49 grid for that. And that is level 2, that is taking us a few steps ahead from light language 1, from level 1. And it is deepening our learning with light language. And light language level 3 is taking us further more ahead. And we are learning how to create a 144 grid, 144 shapes and color grid. And this grid is timeless. It's neither dependent on time or space. And it is working with you until the subject has arrived to a completion. This grid can work with you all lifetime, or a few months or a few years, until the root of the subject is healed and transformed. So this is a little summary about light language, and I will give you here, I will show you some cards of light language to show you to present you the shapes and colors that we are learning in light language 1, and there are some shapes and colors of light language 2 here. So this is just an examples, and we are learning also the colors that are coming with the shapes, and each color gives a certain properties to each shape. So you're learning all these wonderful shapes and colors in the courses of light language, starting with light language 1. And you can read more information on my website. I will join the link below this video. You can send me a contact form asking questions, or telling me if you wish to learn a light language course with me. And if you have any other comment or question, you can also write it below this video and I will answer. So thank you very much for listening to this video. I hope it is more clear what is light language by the Curanderos lineage. And if you are passionate to learn light language, if you feel the call inside you, if I gave you enthusiasm to learn light language, I will be happy to give you this service and to share with you this knowledge in one of my courses. So thank you very much, and see you soon.